So I went down a rabbit hole on water use. Did you know there are about 60,000 car washes in the US? Together, they use somewhere around 130 billion gallons of water a year. That number is hard to wrap your head around, so here's kind of a visual for you. 1 billion gallons equals about 1,500 Olympic swimming pools. That means car washes use roughly 195,000 Olympic pools of water every year. Or picture this. If you lined that water up in 16-ounce bottles of water, it would stretch to the moon and back 40 times. Sounds like a lot, right? Now, here's the kicker. There are only about 5,400 so data centers in the country, and they use roughly the same amount, about 165 billion gallons annually. That's another 250,000 Olympic pools, enough to give every single person in America 2 full backyard swimming pools of water just for keeping servers cool. That's a lot. Yeah, let me repeat that. 5,400 buildings versus 60,000 buildings, same ballpark of water. But here's the part that really got me. It's not how much water, it's what happens to it. See, car washes basically borrow their water. Most of it goes right back into the system to get treated and reused. A lot of newer ones even recycle, say, 80 to 90% of the water on site. Data centers drink their water. They evaporate up to 80% of the water they take in to keep servers cool. That water is just gone. Poof, into the atmosphere, never to be seen again. The scale per building is kind of wild too. Average car wash is 60,000 gallons a day, about 9 Olympic pools per year. Average data centers is 300,000 gallons a day. That's about 450 Olympic pools a year. Big hyperscale facilities up to 5 million gallons a day. That's 7,500 Olympic pools annually, or a whole town's worth. And guess where a ton of these are being built? Places like Texas, Arizona, places famous for their abundant water supply. Yeah, right. To be clear, I'm not hating on AI. I literally run AI stuff in my home lab for fun. I teach this stuff. I love this tech. But when Texas data centers alone are projected to use enough water by 2030 to drain Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the entire US, by 16 feet in a single year, that's not a tech problem anymore. That's where are we putting all this stuff problem. The good news is this is fixable. Closed loop cooling, reclaimed water, actually thinking about where we put things. Car washes figure out how to use 60% less water than washing your car in the driveway. Data centers can figure that out too. We just have to care enough to make it happen. Anyway, that's my TED Talk for the day. What do you think? Should data centers have to report their water use before they get approved to build?